We get it. These days, you can buy a campervan from just about anywhere. But here at Autocraft Motor Caravans, we do things just a little bit differently. We are not just a dealership, we're a one-stop shop for all things campervan. Our industry-leading after-sales care means all repairs are carried out right here in our workshop by our trusted mechanics. Plus, our newly refurbished parts and accessories shop has everything you need, from campervan accessories to conversion kits and electrical products. Here, our conversion specialist can walk you through all the parts used in our campers, making sure you leave without any questions. But the star of the show is our packed indoor and outdoor showroom. We have lots and lots and lots and lots of vans. With 40 vehicles on site ready to view, test drive and drive away, finding your perfect campervan has never been easier. We offer a wide variety of vehicles, from compact two berths to pop-top campers and coach-built motorhomes. Whatever your travel style, we have a van to match. For added peace of mind, all of our conversions come with excellent warranty packages, so you can buy with total confidence. As well as this, we have competitive prices across the board and vehicles for every budget. From this 2016 short wheelbase Vauxhall Vivaro at just £33,000 to this head-turning, high-spec, brand new 2024 MAN TGE 180, 8-speed automatic at just £73,000. We're always adding new listings to our website, complete with professional photography, so you can see every detail before you make a decision. We understand that buying a campervan really is a huge decision. That's why we aim to make it as achievable as possible, offering industry-leading finance options and unbeatable part exchange prices on your old vehicle. With over 150 five-star reviews, at Autocraft we are proud to offer expert advice, quality vehicles and a hassle-free buying experience. We're easy to find too, located just 1 mile from junction 29A of the M1. So, whenever you're ready to start your journey, please get in touch or just call in store. We're always here and happy to help. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Lex, you ready? Let's go. We got this. Let's go. We understand.